Couple more additives, SpongeBob. Oh, and try not to breathe the fumes.
Is it Toxic Patty Tuesday?
Barnacles, no, boyo. The customers keep passing off their dirty, filthy money, so we're cooking up the only solution powerful enough to clean it.
Well, then let's get cleaning.
Hold on, kiddo. We still have one more ingredient.
How much do we need?
Careful, SpongeBob. Just 2 drops of that stuff could
Got it. 2 drops.
blow our faces off.
Facts coming through, boss.
We can get it later.
Infiltration achieved. Phase 1 complete. Now for Phase 2. Sabotage!
There is a cyclone to Mexico, Australia, Waterland, and Gabbor. There is a cyclone that is 100 miles per hour. Please seek shelter. Repeat, please seek shelter.